Alright. So they have given that L1 passes to the origin and they have given the equation of L2. The intercepts of L1 and L2 on the given circle are equal and we have to find out the equation or equations of L1. Suppose this is L1, this is L2. So basically they are saying that the chords formed by L1 and L2 on the circle are equal. So we know the property of the circle, right? If the chords have equal lengths, then the perpendicular distance from the center of the circle to the chord will also be equal. Now suppose if this is the center of the circle. This is the perpendicular from the center to the given chords. This is L1, this is L2. These are perpendicular. So these two distances will be equal to each other. The center of the circle is 1, 2 and minus 3, 2. Okay. So let us first find out the distance of line L2 from the center C. So we know how to do that, right? We have the formula for it. We substitute the point in the equation of the line. So that becomes 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 mod of that, and in the denominator we have under root a square plus b square. So that is under root 1 plus 1. So that is root 2 in this case. So this will become, so half minus 3 by 2 is minus 1, minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2, mod of that is 2. 2 upon root 2 is root 2. So this distance is root 2. So the distance of C from L1 will also be equal to root 2. Another thing, they have given that L1 passes to the origin. So we can obviously write down the equation of L1 as y is equal to mx. So now again, using the perpendicular distance of a point from line formula, let's just write down. So we will have, substituting this point in the equation of line L1, we will get m by 2 minus y, so minus minus will become plus 3 by 2, mod of that upon under root will be m square plus 1, and this thing is equal to root 2. So let's do a square. So this is m plus 3 square upon 4 is equal to 2 into m square plus 1. Okay. So expanding, we have m square plus 6m plus 9 is equal to 8m square plus 8. This will become 7m square minus 6m minus 1 is equal to 0. So the roots of this equation are 1 and minus 1 by 7. So these are the values of m. Substituting these values in this equation, we will have y is equal to x as one equation and y plus 1 upon 7x is equal to 0 as the second equation.